found. They're replacing the upstairs bedroom. We have yes, of course. You're wondering what? You didn't see another video of these. Well, that's because it's time to do another machine room hunt at the IKEA in Westchester. Now, I'm taking one of the Sherman elevators down, but because of the way they're positioned cleverly through the doors, they all share the same machine room. And I happen to know right where it is, and it's right next to some public restrooms. So we can go look at it. So I'm gonna send this up to you, and I'm gonna run. Not run, to be suspicious, but walk pretty fastly. Well, that's it.